Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you're searching for the best setup videos, then subscribe our YouTube channel. This channel provides you the easy and quick setup videos. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Link Tapo C310 outdoor security Wi-Fi camera step by step. This complete guide covers unboxing, powering on, Tapo app installation, Wi-Fi connection, motion detection settings, and outdoor wall mounting. If you are looking for an easy and safe way to install the Tapo C310 camera, this video is perfect for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will unbox Link Tapo C310 camera box. Inside the Link Tapo C310 box, you will find the Tapo C310 outdoor security camera, a power adapter, and a set of mounting screws with wall anchors. The box also includes waterproof cable accessories, a mounting template, and a quick start guide to help you install and set up the camera easily. Now connect the power adapter to the camera. Plug the adapter into a wall socket. Wait for the LED indicator on the camera. Blinking red-green camera is ready for setup. If not blinking, press the reset button for 5 seconds. Do not mount the camera yet. Setup should be done indoors first. Open Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone. Search for Tapo by TP-Link. Download and install the app. Open the Tapo app. Tap Sign Up, if new user, or log in. Enter your email ID and password. Verify your email if asked. Log in successfully. TP-Link ID is required to use the camera remotely. Tap the Add Device button. Select Camera. Choose Tapo C310 from the list. Allow Bluetooth, location Wi-Fi permissions when asked. Permissions are mandatory for setup. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Tap Next. The app will now send Wi-Fi details to the camera. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Wait for the LED lights to turn solid green. This means setup is complete. Choose a camera name, example, front gate, parking, backyard. Select a location icon. Tap Finish. Tap the camera name in the app. You should now see live video. Setup complete. You can now watch live video anytime, receive motion alerts, and talk through the camera. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such as more updates.